Hey girlfriends, welcome back to Cianni's Hair World. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed flexi rods as well as took them down out of Cianni's hair. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. First we are just going to section the hair off into two sections. Pin that left side up, and then we're going to start on the right hand side. So now I'm starting to part her hair using my fingers only, and I'm going to detangle each section as I go along. I'm going to start by adding some styling mousse to her hair and rub it in really good, and then get my detangling brush to detangle each piece. Make sure you get all of the tangles out and smooth the piece out really well before you grab your flexi rod to start rolling the hair up. You don't want to have any knots or clumps or tangles in the hair, because if you do, it's going to mess up the curl when it's time to take it down. Alright, so we have our first flexi rod in. Now, as you can see, I'm going back to grab the piece of hair. Only with my fingers, I'm parting her hair, and again detangling as I go along, adding some styling mousse, brushing it out, and then getting that flexi rod and starting on the next roller. Now, when you are adding the flexi rod, again, make sure the hair is completely smooth. Go to the very bottom of the hair. You want to wrap it around at least 2 or 3 times to secure it onto the flexi rod, and then begin rolling up to the roots of your hair. Once you get to the top, fold both ends in. Alright, so here it is again. Make sure the hair is smooth, fully detangled. Go to the ends of the hair, wrap it around your flexi rod 2 to 3 times to secure it on so that it doesn't unravel. Roll the flexi rod up to the roots of your hair, and then be sure to fold both ends inward to secure the flexi rod so it doesn't unravel during its drying process. Okay, so I'm on the last flexi rod on the right side of her hair. As you can see, her bangs are really short, so once we get to those particular bangs, we want to really make sure that we grab that hair and wrap it around the flexi rod. Make sure that you add enough styling mousse to the hair so that you have a nice shine and you don't have frizzy ends during the takedown process of your flexi rods. So here I am grabbing those short bangs and just trying to grip them around the flexi rod to secure every piece of hair into this flexi rod set. Okay, we have the right side done. I will finish the left side off camera. And here you have it, her full flexi rod set in, all ready to be dried. Alright, so we are back. She had about a total of an hour drying time underneath a hooded dryer, and then probably about 4 hours of drying time just around the house and playing outside. So totally today they have been in for about 5 hours. Now, the first thing I did before I actually started to unravel these and take them out is added oil to my hands so that it can rub against her hair as I'm unraveling the curls. So, the way that I like to take my flexi rods out is I start by unfolding the ends, the part that was used to secure the roller in, and then I start to unravel downwards about 2 to 3 times. I take my left hand, hold the hair at the root, and then with my right hand, I begin to unravel into a spiral motion to keep the curl pattern. I continue the same process again by unfolding the end pieces that were used to secure it. I unravel down 2 to 3 times, take my left hand, hold the curl at the root, take my right hand and unravel it around the flexi rod. Be sure that you're adding oil as needed to your hands to give your hair that extra shine and that extra moisture as you're taking the curls down. And that is pretty much it. It's a really simple process. As you can see, I have half her head out. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other half. Be right back. And this is what it looks like once all the flexi rods have been removed. Yes, girl, go ahead and shake it. Such a free feeling. Alright, so I have started to separate the curls. Again, you want to make sure you have some oil on your hands just to make sure that you aren't creating extra frizz in her hair and giving it a nice lasting shine. So I take each curl and I normally separate it basically as many times as the curl will allow me to, or wherever the curl is already naturally separating at. So each curl, for the most part, I did about 4 to 5 times. Alright, so again, I have my right side completed. You can see the difference of what it looks like between the left and the right. I'm going to go ahead and finish the left. Be right back. And here is the completed look. Go ahead and shake those curls, girl. If you want to see more of Cianni's hair tutorials, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.